Good morning, this is your daily outlook for Monday the 24th of October. The euro opened lower against most of its major counterparts as the EU summit on Sunday provided no solid indication of any agreement among the Eurozone members. A number of officials, including Merkel and Sarkozy, pointed to Wednesday as the next key date for the ongoing debt crisis. Versus the US dollar, the single currency opened at 138.42 from 138.95. Against the Swiss franc, the euro dropped to 122.15 from 122.61. Against the Japanese yen, the euro remained almost unchanged, opening at 105.93 from 105.99. The US dollar rose against a basket of currencies as headlines from Europe left investors wondering for yet another market opening. Against the Swiss franc, the US dollar advanced to 0.8837 from 0.8805. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback dropped to 76.22 from 76.28. On Friday, the yen momentarily plunged to a record low at 75.82. A sequential triggering of stop losses was held responsible in the absence of any fundamental reason. This development forced the Japanese finance minister to repeat their pledge in weakening the yen to protect their economies post-earthquake recovery. The Australian dollar opened lower at 103.20 from 103.75 against the US dollar. The British pound dropped to 159.17 from 157.52 against the US dollar. Investors are expected to focus on the speech of the Bank of England Deputy Governor Paul Tucker. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices advance to $88.39 a barrel from $87.48. Gold also rose higher to $1,650.91 an ounce from $1,641.90. Silver was almost unchanged, opening at $31.33 an ounce from $31.34. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 138.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 138.20. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 76.60 with a preference to enter into short positions at 76.55. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 103.05 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.05. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 158.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 158.60, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 101.28 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.28. And looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 87 with a preference to enter into long positions at 87. The gold pivot point is at 1629 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1629, and the silver pivot point is at 30.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 30.95. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. On today's calendar, the market movers are the German flash manufacturing PMI forecast to fall to 50, the Eurozone flash manufacturing PMI forecast to fall to 48.1, and Eurozone industrial new orders for August forecast to gain 0.1%. Now on to equities. The European bourses were positive with the FTSE up 1.93%, the DAX was up 3.55% and the CAC was up 2.83%. Looking at the US, equities were also positive with the SP 500 up 1.88% and the Dow was up 2.31%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 1.90% and the Hang Seng was up 4.17%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.